Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Welcome to another video brought to you by Total Control Traders. I just wanted to make a quick video and thank all of you guys. Our channel has been doing amazing. I don't know what to say. We've been doing this for just about a year, maybe just over a year now. And over the last week, we have seen new members, new subscribers coming in at an amazing pace. We've seen an increase of 100 new subs over last week, and I just wanted to make a quick video. Huge shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I will continue to deliver unbiased market analysis for you guys on a scheduled basis. So thank you. And another thing, we do still have 4 slots available for our free membership to our online trading Slack community. If that's something that interests you, make sure you check it out. Again, a huge thank you to all 358 of you out there who are subscribed to our channel. Also, quick note for you guys, I will be taking some time off during Christmas. So if you are in a position that you're not comfortable swinging over the holidays, make sure maybe trim it down, take some profits. I look forward to seeing you on our next video. Make sure to check out our online Slack trading chat group with proven results of 86% win rate out of 318 successful trade callouts. Free to join, limited spots on each enrollment period. Link down in the description below. And hey, if you know anyone that may benefit from the content we provide, please consider sharing our channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.